Hi friends, welcome to Sai Jayani Academy. In this session, I am going to solve previous Dcet question paper on chapter Unit 1 Mechanics, Applied Science, Unit 1 Mechanics. The question paper was 2013 A3 Dcet question paper. So 55th question, the prefix mega stands for dash. Option A 10 to the power 3, option B 10 to the power minus 3, option C 10 to the power minus 6, option D 10 to the power 6. So the prefix mega stands for, so what is the meaning of mega? He is asking about what is the meaning of mega. So look at option A, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 is a kilo, so it is not a right answer. 10 to the power minus 3 is a milli, it is not a right answer. 10 to the power minus 6 is a micro, it is not a right answer. So 10 to the power 6 is a mega. The prefix mega stands for 10 to the power 6. So option D is the right answer. So next question 59. In the same question paper, the question number is 59. Two equal forces at a point, the square of their resultant is equal to 3 times of the product of forces. The angle between the forces is equal to dash. Option A 30 degree, option B 45 degree, option C 60 degree, option D 90 degree. So the problem is on vectors. So law of parallelogram. So the resultant of two vectors is given by R is equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2pq cos theta. So this is the formula to find resultant of two vectors. But in the question he has given two equal forces, means P is equal to Q. So two equal forces acting at a point, the square of their resultant, So square of their resultant becomes P square plus Q square 2pq cos theta. If I square the squaring on both sides, R become R square and this root will get cancelled, then the formula become R square P square plus Q, R square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2pq cos theta. He is given that the resultant is equal to 3 times of the product of force. Is the square of the resultant means R square is equal to the 3 times of the product of force, 3 times of product of two forces P, 3P, Q. P and Q are the two forces, but he has given that two equal force, P is equal to Q, then 3 P into P. So in case of Q I written P into P, 3P square. So what is R square? R square is equal to 3P square. In the question itself he has given that the square of resultant is equal to 3 times of the product of that forces, product of P and Q. Q is equal to P, so 3 times of P square. So in place of R square I will write 3P square. 3P square is equal to P square plus P square. So because Q is equal to P, that's why I write in place of Q I will write P. So 2P again P cos theta. So in place of Q I write P. So 3P square is equal to P square plus P square, 2P square. Then 2P into P, again 2P square cos theta. So I will shift 2P square to this side, then it becomes 3P square minus 2P square is equal to 2P square cos theta. Then 3P square minus 2P square is equal to P square 2P square cos theta. Then P square I will get cancelled. So 1 is equal to 2 cos theta. Then I will write cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 or theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. So cos 1 by 2 gives theta is equal to 60 degree. So we know that for cos 60 degree the value is 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 60 degree. So option C 60 degree is the right answer. So next question number 60. Equilibrium is a force. Option A, which brings a body in equilibrium. Option B, which moves a body along the resultant force. Option C, in zigzag movement of a body. Option D, which moves a body in opposite to equilibrium force. So what is equilibrium force? So equilibrium force is a force which brings a body in equilibrium condition. So option A, which brings a body in equilibrium, is the right answer. So equilibrium is a force which brings a body in equilibrium condition. So option A, which brings a body in equilibrium position, is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. So next question number 66. Which of the following is a dimensional physical quantity? Option A, pressure. Option B, strain. Option C, specific gravity. Option D, mechanical advantage. So which of the following is a dimensional physical quantity? A quantity which has a unit is a dimensional physical quantity. So ಯಾವ physical quantity ಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗಳು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಲೆಸ್ physical quantity. So any quantity which has no unit are called dimensionless physical quantity. So strain is a dimensionless. So strain ige no unit. So strain has no unit. So it is a dimensional physical quantity. Specific gravity has no unit. So mechanical advantage has no unit. But pressure has unit Newton per meter square. So pressure is a physical quantity, dimensional physical quantity. So option A is the right answer. Strain, specific gravity, mechanical advantage ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಷರನ್ನು ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಪರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 67. The principle of Vernier is dash. Option A, n VSD is equal to n plus 1 MSD. Option B, n minus 1 VSD is equal to n MSD. Option C, n MSD is equal to n minus 1 VSD. Option D, n minus 1 MSD is equal to n VSD. So the principle of Vernier. The Vernier caliper works on the principle that n VSD, n Vernier scale division is equal to n minus 1 main scale division. ಸೊ ವರ್ನಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಲೆಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ನು ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಡಿಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ವಿ ಎಸ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಎಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ವರ್ನಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ 10 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ಗೆ ಅದು 9 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 10 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 9. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ನಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಪರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ನಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ n Vernier scale division is equal to n minus 1 main scale division. So ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. n VSD is equal to n minus 1 MSD. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ನಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ n minus 1 MSD is equal to n VSD. Option D is the right answer. So next question 71. A force 10 Newton acting on a fixed point at a point the distance from the fixed point to line of force is 2 meter. The moment of force is dash Newton meter. So option A 0.002, option B 0, option C 2, option D 20. So movement of force ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. force value ಏನಿದೆ 10 Newton, the distance is 2 meter, then the moment of force, moment of force. So what is the formula to find the moment of force? Is force into distance. Force ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 10 into distance ಏನಿದೆ, so 10 Newton ಇದೆ into distance 2 meter ಇದೆ, so 20 Newton meter. So option D, 20 Newton meter is the right answer. So next question, question number 72. By Lami's theorem, PQR are three forces acting in equilibrium and the angle between PR, PQ, QR are alpha, beta, gamma respectively, then which of the following is correct? Option A, P by sin beta is equal to Q by sin gamma is equal to R by sin alpha. Option B, P by sin gamma is equal to Q by sin alpha is equal to R by sin beta. Option C, P by sin alpha is equal to Q by sin beta is equal to R by sin gamma. Option D, P by sin alpha is equal to Q by sin gamma is equal to R by sin beta. So Lami's theorem, it has three forces. So three forces are in equilibrium. So P, so this force is P, Q and this force is R. So he says the angle between P and R, the angle between P and R is alpha. Then P and Q, the angle between P and Q is beta. Next, the angle between Q and R is gamma. So Lami's theorem states that the forces are proportional to angle between other two forces. So P is given by the opposite angle gamma, R is the angle between P and Q, and for Q the angle between P and R. So for P we have to write in terms of sin gamma, for Q sin alpha, for R sin beta. We have to find, so P sin gamma, P divided by sin gamma, Q sin alpha, R sin beta. So option C is the right answer. So the angle between two opposite forces, so for P we have two opposite forces Q and R, the P is directly proportional to sin of angle between the two opposite forces. For P we have to write sin gamma, P sin gamma is equal to Q sin alpha is equal to R sin beta. So option B is the right answer for this diagram or for this statement. So in general, P sin alpha, Q by sin beta, R by sin gamma is also a right answer for Lami's theorem, but intentionally has changed the angle. He changed the angle and confused the question. So option B is the right answer. So next question 73. If the line of action of force passes through the point of rotation, the moment of force is dash. Option A maximum, option B minimum, option C greater than 1, option D 0. So he says the moment of force, so moment of force is given by formula force into distance, but he says the line of action of force through the point of rotation. So if I consider this is a point and the force, so I have to apply the force, the line of action is away from this point O. So if line of action, this is the line of action of force, so this is the line of action of force. He says in the problem the line of action of force passes through the point of rotation. If the line of action of force passes to the point of if the line of action of force passes through the point of same point, then what is the moment? So distance is 0. This is the distance D. If line of action of force is itself in the point, then there is no distance. So distance is 0. F into 0 is 0. So option D 0 is the right answer. So if the line of action of force passes through the point of rotation, then the moment of force is 0.